So this is my SJ413 1988. I'm just fitting a new Toyota Corolla 3K carburetor into it. Just doing a bit of modification, not modification, just fixing a bit of rusty spots, but it's pretty original. A bit very healthy sills, and there's not much rust on it. It's really nice SJ413 with a surface rust only. Engine runs smooth. I'm after fitting new tires on it, and I have it for longer. Just pulled it out from the shed. I just try to get it running and enjoy it. So just don't worry about that mess here. I'm just trying to do a bit of cleaning and all. That's SJ413 1988. See you in a bit. Sure, have this one longer again. I picked it up just to save it. I like original Irish ones. I'm getting a lot of Japanese 660s. They're in beautiful condition, no problem with them. Turbocharged engine, but this is kind of a little bit sentimental. I got it just to do with the repairs to it. It's pretty straight for Irish. Original 1988 1.3 SJ413. So today I'm going to change carburetor, original stock carburetor, to Toyota Corolla 3K aftermarket carburetor. This is the stock carburetor. It's a piece of junk. They always go wrong. I don't like them. I had too many SJs and there's always problem with them. Just too complicated, that's all. And this is the what we got, brand new aftermarket 3K Toyota Corolla 3K carburetor. I'm going to install today. So the car is running crap, idling itself, going revs up and down without accelerating. So let's see how it will run after these little carburetors installed. It looks pretty simple. Also connector for the fuel hose as well, which is handy. Before I got them without it. Now they send them in full kit. Also I have a few gaskets just to put on the carburetor. So see you in a bit. Original carburetor had water choke, so this is the hose for water choke, and here, so what we do, we just join them together just to do round circulation, and we disconnect all these air hoses. They come in here, we just blank them, and next step, just there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts just to unbolt them and take the carb off. So that's the original carburetor. Somebody was trying to fix it, but it wouldn't work. So let's continue. So after taking carburetor, original carburetor off, you need to clean inlet intake perfectly with low grade sandpaper, and just put something inside just to not get dirt. That's the last thing you want to get the dirt in the inlet manifold. So that's clean. Put a new gasket on. Put this one here. One of these goes this way. So that's the new gasket. As you can see, perfectly sitting in, ready to install new carburetor. See you in a bit. Now we're running with the Toyota Corolla 3K carburetor. That's the difference.